You are eating the healthiest food of your life right now. But your aging body is treating it like absolute trash. After 50, a thinning gut barrier creates a massive cellular breakdown. This prevents vital nutrients from ever reaching your hungry bloodstream. If you do not fix these broken biological pathways today, even the best organic diet is just expensive wasted potential. Stop blaming your age for your constant lack of energy. It is time to unlock the nutrients you have been missing. The biology of aging changes how your gut absorbs vital minerals. Scientists at Harvard confirm that gut linings thin out over time. This thinning creates microinflammation that physically blocks your nutrient uptake. Your body struggles to break down complex proteins into usable fuel. This happens because digestive enzyme production drops significantly after age 50. Think of your cell membranes as gates that are now stuck. Cellular senescence makes these gates less permeable to important daily micronutrients. If you enjoy our health tips, please subscribe to Vital 50 Plus. Join our community to master your health journey after age 50. Low stomach acid is another hidden thief of your daily vitality. Without enough hydrochloric acid, you cannot absorb B12 or magnesium properly. Many people over 50 suffer from undetected deficiencies due to pH. Improper pH levels allow bad bacteria to steal your expensive nutrients. You can test your acidity levels at home using simple methods. Drink a small amount of baking soda and water, first thing. If you do not burp quickly, your stomach acid is low. Chronic fatigue is often a sign of this internal chemical imbalance. We must restore these pathways to reclaim your natural, youthful energy. Pairing the right foods can help bypass these age-related biological hurdles. Fresh lemon juice in water can naturally boost your stomach acid. Leafy greens like spinach provide magnesium that your cells desperately need. Focus on whole foods rather than relying only on synthetic pills. Your body recognizes natural cofactors found in real fruits and vegetables. This is the first step to reversing your systemic nutrient depletion. Shifting hormones act as heavy gates for your vital mineral transport. Research shows that insulin sensitivity often declines as we get older. This prevents glucose and potassium from entering your tired muscle cells. Your cells remain hungry even after eating a very large meal. Declining estrogen and testosterone also impact your total bone density levels. These hormonal changes make vitamin D synthesis much harder to achieve. Standard multivitamins often fail because your body lacks the right signals. Without proper hormonal signaling, your cells cannot utilize these vital pills. Pairing specific healthy fats with fat-soluble vitamins is a smart strategy. Eating avocado with carrots helps your body absorb vital vitamin A. The Journal of Nutrition suggests healthy fats unlock these hidden nutrients. Specific fermented foods can actually repair your thinning mucosal gut barrier. Try adding a spoon of sauerkraut to your daily lunch plate. Kimchi and kefir are excellent choices for restoring your internal balance. These foods provide enzymes that bypass traditional age-related absorption hurdles. Contrast synthetic supplements with whole food concentrates for much better results. Whole foods provide necessary cofactors that your body naturally expects. Berries and citrus fruits offer vitamin C in its most bioavailable form. Regular exercise helps your body manage insulin and transport nutrients better. A brisk daily walk can significantly improve your overall metabolic flexibility. Lifting light weights helps keep your bones strong and minerals active. By optimizing these natural cycles, you can finally restore your vitality. Small lifestyle adjustments lower systemic inflammation to keep nutrient gates open. This targeted intervention is the key to reversing your physical depletion. You need a daily protocol to reset your internal cellular machinery. Start your morning with a specific hydration ritual for deep cleansing. Warm water with a pinch of sea salt primes your tract. This simple habit prepares your stomach for the day's nutrient intake. Clinical studies suggest that meal timing is crucial for cellular repair. Intermittent fasting can trigger a natural process called autophagy in cells. Autophagy clears out non-functional cells that cause your metabolic sluggishness. This process allows younger cells to absorb vitamins much more efficiently. Add more cruciferous vegetables like broccoli to your evening dinner plate. These vegetables contain compounds that support your liver's natural detox pathways. Daily movement is essential to keep your internal nutrient gates open. Even 15 minutes of stretching improves your blood flow and absorption. Chelated minerals are a great supplement choice for older biological systems. They are bound to amino acids for much easier gut transport. Combine these with fermented enzymes to maximize your overall energy levels. Avoid processed sugars that create inflammation and block your mineral paths. High inflammation levels are the primary enemy of your gut health. Consistent sleep allows your body to rebuild its thin mucosal lining. Aim for 7 hours of rest to support your hormonal balance. Track your energy levels as you implement these small, daily changes. You will notice a visible transformation in your skin and hair. Your body is finally receiving the fuel it has been missing. Reclaiming your vitality is possible with the right targeted biological interventions. Keep pushing forward to reach your peak health goals after 50. Thank you for watching this vital guide on reclaiming your health. Start fixing your internal nutrient pathways with these simple, daily steps. Your journey to a more energetic life begins with one small change. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful today. We will see you in the next video on Vital 50 Plus.